Merhaba. Bugünkü konumuz today we are going to talk about rectangle. Okay. So what kind of picture is rectangle? Let's check it out. So we have a rectangle. Sorry for terrible drawing. Okay, let's say that ABCD. What are the properties of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal in length. Opposite sides are equal in lengths. Okay, what is next? All angles are 90 degrees. So what is opposite sides are equal in length? So if this is A centimeter, that has to be A centimeter. If this is B centimeter, that has to be B centimeter. So the next is all the angles are 90 degrees. So where are the angles? The angles are here. This is 90, that's 90, this is 90, and that is 90 degrees. Diagonals are equal in length and bisect each other. Let's use a different color to draw the diagonals. Let's choose blue color, my favorite. Okay, here is done, here is done. Alright, if I say M here, the intersection point, it means that first of all DB is equal to AC. The diagonals are equal in length. It means that DB is equal to AC. And bisect each other means, so AM is equal to MC and DM is equal to MB. So let's write it down here. DM is equal to MB, that's equal to AM, that is equal to MC. Okay, so how do we find the perimeter? What did we say? Perimeter is the total length of the size of the figure. So then if I start from this corner and I have to go around the figure and come back to the same point, then let's find it out. DA is equal to B, AB is equal to A, BC is equal to B, and CD is equal to A. So that's going to be 2B plus 2A. When we simplify the equation, so 2 common parentheses, B plus A. So that's the perimeter. So what is the area? Area will be is equal to length times width. So what is length? Length is equal to A and B is equal to width is equal to B. So area is equal to A times B. Very simple. Let's start the examples. Okay, the first example. Let's think something in the real life. Okay, so let's isolate here. Okay, say that Jonathan has a garden, and that is the wall, and his garden is here. So one side is wall. Say that this is 6 centimeter, not centimeter, it should be meter, and this is 8 meter. Jonathan wants to fence his garden. So how much material he needs? It means that if Jonathan is going to fence his garden, then I have to find the perimeter of the rectangle here. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? It's going to be 6 plus 8 plus, I start from one corner, go around the picture, so that's 6, that's 8, plus here is also 6 centimeter, plus 6, plus here is also 8 meter, not centimeter, but meter. This is also 8 meter. Opposite sides are equal. So that's going to be 8. So 14 plus 14, that's going to be 28 meter. His garden needs 28 meter of fencing materials. Is it correct? Absolutely not. Why is that? Because one side is wall. He doesn't need a fence here. So he needs the fence on the three sides. So this 8 is useless. We don't use that 8. So the answer is wrong. That's going to be 14, 20 meter. So he needs 20 meter of material. Now what is the area of his garden? Area of his garden is equal to length times width. So that's going to be 8 times 6. 6 times 8. That's going to be 48 meters square. So that's the area of his garden. All right, let's have a look at a challenging question. A challenging question here. Let's choose a different color. Let's choose a different color here. Okay. Something out of the box. The question is. It's a beautiful question. Okay, here we go. Let's choose another color. Yes. All right, little bit arrangement here. Come on. Here we go. That's a rectangle. So we've got here 30 degree. This is 9 centimeter here. So we got another triangle, a small triangle here. We got a small triangle here. This is 90 degree. This is a rectangle. 90 degree. Here is 90 degree. So we got here 6 centimeter. Okay, this is 90 degree. This is A. That is C. That is F. This is A. All right. The question is here. This is B. This is F. Okay. The question is here. A, B, C, D. The question is here. What is the length of AB? X. So what am I going to do? What am I going to do? All right, let's think for a while. How am I going to find this X here? Okay, I see a small triangle here. Last year you studied trigonometry. So this is 30 degree, then that has to be 60 degree. Is that right? That has to be 60 degree. Okay, let's change the color. Let's choose orange color. So that is 60 degree. So total is 90 degree. If this is 60 degree, then that has to be 30 degree. 30, 60, 90. Then can I find the value, the length of DE here? Let's say this is Y. So I can use trigonometric value of 60 or angle 30. Let's use 30. So what am I going to use here? Opposite, adjacent. So we are going to use tangent function. Tangent 30 is equal to opposite over adjacent. So cross multiplication, y times tangent 30 is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 over tangent 30, which is equal to, let's not use calculator. Let's say that the question is find x, find exact value of x. Exact value of x. So then what is tangent 30? Then I have to remember the spatial triangles. What was the spatial triangles? Remember, this is 30, that is 60. So that's going to be 2, that's going to be 1, and that's going to be root 3. So tangent 30 will be 9 over, what is the value of tangent 30? Opposite, adjacent. 1 over root 3. So how am I going to divide it? 9 times second fraction reciprocal. So that's going to be 9 root 3. So what we have found the value of y. That's equal to 9 root 3. Okay, so if I find the z here, then y plus z will give me x. So how do I find z? I have to focus on the small triangle here. Then I need to find an angle on this triangle. How am I going to find it? Check this out. There is a straight angle here, 30, 90. That has to be 60 degree. Altogether 180 degree. Yeah, so let's use 60 here. Then how am I going to find z? This is adjacent and that is hypotenuse. Adjacent hypotenuse, what does it resemble to you? Cosine. This is 90 degree, right? So this is a right triangle. So cosine 60 will be equal to adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So z is equal to cross multiplication 6 times cosine 60. It's going to be 6 times. So cosine 60, let's look at here. What is cosine 60? Cosine means adjacent over hypotenuse. So 1 over 2. 1 over 2. So that's going to be 3. Z is equal to 3 centimeter. Then, what is x? X is equal to y plus z. Y is equal to, we found y here, 9 root 3, plus we found z, 3. So that's the exact value of x.